For today's project, you are going to need a pair of crimpers, some wire, a lighter for your heat shrink tubing, a spade connector, 2 different sizes of heat shrink tubing, and a Sharpie. Let's go ahead and start this build. First thing we're going to do is measure out the length of the crimp for our connector and mark it with a Sharpie. You want to make sure to mark enough material to remove that your wires will fit in the crimp without being too long. And now, strip your wire at the mark. Next, be sure to place your heat shrink onto the wire now. After the connector is crimped on, you're not going to be able to get your heat shrink on, and you'll feel very sad. Next, place your crimp connector onto the wire. Helps to twist the wire a little bit before inserting, and make sure that it is seated all the way down. And crimp. Make sure to use the right jaws on your crimp tool. We're going to use the red, as these are red connectors and they're normally color coded. Next, slide your heat shrink tubing into place. And delicately heat with your lighter. We're using a second smaller piece of heat shrink tubing to guarantee a nice tight seal around the wire and hopefully make this a waterproof connection. And there we go. We now have our power pigtails for daytime running lights on the 240. Thank you for watching.